All right. Good evening, everyone. My name is Nisarg, and today we are conducting the success story, and we are having Anil with us. Hey, hi, Anil.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Anil. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Great to know, Anil. Thank you so much for being a part of this success story. Anil, a quick introduction about yourself to our audience.
Sir, I completed my bachelor's in a computer science, sir, in the stream
Okay.
of data science in 2025. After completing my graduation, I joined the DataMites Institute in a CDE course, sir, data engineer, certified data engineer course.
Yeah.
And that's in that course, I have done the projects. The form of starting 4 months, there will be classes. After that, they give me capstone projects and a client project. After that completion of the project, they conduct a mock interview. I really score very well in that mock interview. After completing that mock, they give me an opportunity to attend that drive for the NAM Info Private Limited.
Yeah.
In this, I will get this.
Okay. Great to know about it, Anil. That you have came across data mice and you did your data engineering. So you said that you're from computer science department, right?
Yes, sir. Data science. It's a data.
Oh, yes, CS in data science, like
Yes,
this.
sir.
And then you chose to go for data engineering. All right,
Mm.
that's great. You're great to know and very understandable as well because you anyways have this understanding of data science and then you chose the path of data engineer. All right, Anil, the very first question that usually comes is when you are getting, of course, you're a fresher right now. So when you are getting
Yes, sir.
selected, what kind of questions is being asked in the interview?
Sir, interview is first round. It was an MCQ, sir.
Hmm.
It's an SQL and the Python questions.
Mhm.
Majority of them are SQL questions. Some of their Python questions.
Okay.
After that first round, we have the two technical rounds. In the technical rounds, they also
Mhm.
ask to we have to write some SQL queries, and we have how we can read the data using that Python pandas like that,
Oh,
and
okay.
also using that SpicePark. They ask some about the cloud. It's a data
Okay.
engineer, right? So that's why they ask about the cloud. In the
Mhm.
second technical round, also they continues of that
Mhm.
little bit of advanced using that window functions, right? And SQL query using that window functions like that.
Mhm.
They ask about the big data processing like that, Hadoop like that.
Mhm.
The last one is in manager round, sir.
Okay.
Some basic stuff like that, and family
Okay.
background like that.
Okay. So, majorly they focused on SQL, right? And
SQL and Python,
yeah,
sir. Little
Python
bit
and
of cloud and Spark also.
Cloud and Spark also. Great, great for sharing your insight, Anil, regarding this. So, Anil, since you were a part of CS with the data science, and then you came across this data engineering, how difficult it is to learn these technologies? I just want to know from you.
Sir, the same SQL or Python is the same in the data science and the data engineer. The
Hmm.
more advanced is in cloud and the big data foundation like that, sir.
Hmm.
It's hard to learn the cloud and the big data foundation to understand that concepts.
Okay.
We
So if it is
doing
this
that
much hard,
practical.
if it is this much hard, how did you learn?
It's a starting stage, right, sir?
Hmm.
The institute classes were really good to understand the basics of that cloud.
Exactly.
The institute will help me a lot to understand that.
Mhm. Yeah, that is correct. Absolutely. So, one more question. When you came to data science after your graduation, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir. After my graduation.
Okay, so you were a fresher and you were not having any job at that point of time.
No, sir. No.
Okay, so apart from class, because I think it's 2 hour class, right? Over
Yes,
the
sir. 2 hours
weekdays.
class.
So apart from 2 hours, how much time you dedicated into the studies?
Sir, maximum 3 to 4 hours, sir. Apart from that, 2 hours,
Okay,
three
it's
to
a
four hours.
maximum 3 to 4 hours or minimum three
Yeah.
to four hours?
Yes, sir. Maximum 4 hours, sir. Minimum 3 hours, like.
Minimum 3 hours, maximum
uh,
4 hours.
yes, sir.
That, that's understandable, and that is something that is quite standard. At least 3 to 4 hours of study you have to give for sure.
Yes, sir.
All right. So what kind of what sort of areas you I can say studied more or touched more, or that this is very very important. Let's learn this particular thing. Which area?
In the data engineer point of view, cloud will be the most important, sir.
Hmm.
And also the Spark big data, like that. We have to give the more importance as a data engineer.
Yeah, correct. Absolutely. So
Apart from
Spark.
that, the SQL and the Python are the from the my BTech first year we are seeing that Python SQL.
So it become a little bit easier for you.
Yes, sir.
That is good. That is good. Okay. So Anil, when you went into the interview, you must have written some projects into your
Yes, sir.
resume. Then, what
Yes,
kind
sir.
of projects you have written?
Sir, I one is PySpark project, sir. Using that
Mhm.
PySpark, how I handle the big data. Another one is in data warehouse, sir. By using the cloud, how I build the data warehouse. These two projects I mentioned in the resume. The questions
Okay.
are on the two projects only.
Okay. So it was based around the things that you
Hmm.
have mentioned
So,
over there. All right. I have one more question which is coming in my mind. We have the PAC team. So
yes,
did you
sir.
come across this PAC team, right?
Yes, sir.
So how did you make this resume basically?
Sir, I don't have much time to prepare that resume. After my completion of my mock interview, they within 2 days they tell that you have an opportunity to attend an offline drive at the
Mm-hmm.
Kudlu office.
Okay.
If you prepare the basic resume, it's a fresher data engineer, right? You prepare
Mm,
one basic and send to me. If there are
mm,
any connections, we will make the changes. Otherwise, we will
mm.
send to them like that.
Okay.
Hmm.
So it means that the packing helped you in making the
Yes, sir. Yes,
resume
sir.
for sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's great to know about it. Yes, of course. And Anil, we talked about, you know, what sort of areas which is very important. Where do you think? Do you think there is a link of data engineer and artificial intelligence at some point of time?
In the future, there will be a link, sir. Right now, I don't much know about that. Is the link?
Okay. All right. That's fairly enough. Uh, to know about it. Okay. Anil, this is a very common question that comes as one of a very, common question that comes to me. I know the answer already. People ask me very generally that we can fetch the data and we can manipulate the data with the help of SQL. We can fetch
Hmm.
the data, we can manipulate the data with the help of Python. Then why to
Yes,
learn both?
sir. Yes, using that platform, sir. Some companies needs you have to use the particular platform to transform like that. Some companies we can use both depending on the company, sir. That's why we have
Okay.
to learn the
So
but
you know
but
that. Mhm.
but using that SQL we can by using that SQL we have some amount of limit for the data. By using that
Correct.
Python or the PySpark we can transform the large amount of the data. That's why
Correct.
you have to learn the both.
This is what exactly it is because both are one of the most important aspects of doing the data manipulation and depends upon company to company,
Yes, sir.
and that is why you require to learn both of them. All right, Anil, where you see yourself after the next 5 years?
Sir, I have to work on the data bricks, sir. It's a platform
Okay.
like the data bricks. It's a big data processing platform.
Mm-hmm.
I have to work on that. It's my
So
after
make it.
that 2 to 3 years I want to transform the present role to the data bricks working on them.
Yeah, that is correct as well. Um, all right, Anil, what's the thing that you wanted to say to the newcomers who are coming in this industry?
Sir, I am also a fresher.
I
I
know,
don't.
but you have gone through, you have gone through that.
Sir, practice will be best, sir. Practice. You have to prepare yourself.
Okay, since you have actually gone through this, Anil, I have a very genuine question, and I want a very genuine answer from you. Is there any shortcut?
There is no shortcut for the success, sir. We have to
Yes.
wait to get the chances.
Hmm.
When we get the chances, for getting the chances, we have to be ready, sir. We have to
Yes.
be ready. We don't know when the opportunity gets, when the
Yes.
interview will be scheduled. We are
Hmm.
continuously applying. At the one point of the time, they will be we are
Exactly.
going
And this is
got that
what.
interview.
This is what exactly it is as well. You
Mm.
never know, and it's gonna be
Yes,
just
sir. We
fine.
don't know. That's why we have to be ready.
Correct. All right. That was really nice talking with you, Anil. Let me ask the team if we have any question. Team, do we have any questions?
No, sir. Nothing.
Let me ask the team, the PAT
Okay.
team. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
if we have anyone who requires the question. Oh, we don't have any questions. There's no question, Anil. So
Okay, sir.
thank you so much, Anil, for being the part of this show, and hopefully we will be connected. We will be
Yes.
requiring one other at some point of time for sure. So thank you once again, Anil, for coming here. Have a nice
Thank you.
day.
Thank you, sir. Me, you
Thank
too.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, team. Thank you so much.